sky blue eyes, I see a world behind them. No more time sinking into the silence, reaching out for something you may never find, looking for a reason not to lose your mind. Feel like you're caught in a world you don't belong to, praying that you'll make it home. I know you're scared that the place you love is gone. Don't fear what you do not know.
That'd be fun.
Alright, so today here we're at KFC. I saw they had the donuts and things, so I got 2 donuts and 2 pieces of chicken with it. And I went the smart way and I just built it myself, because either way I was gonna pay more just to have them go like that with my sandwich. So I'm gonna see how it tastes. Test try. We got a whole bunch of napkins because it's probably gonna get like super dirty. But you can tell right here, got it, and I squish it. Look at that right there. To be honest, it tastes kind of like, I don't know if you guys ever had like the, the Shoppers donuts. It tastes exactly like that, but it's like a lot more slimy, a lot more greasy.
What about Drew? It tastes like.
And the good thing is, you think the donuts a little bit too dry just now. Just pull this up right here. You redip it all into that goo right there. You take all those extra calories that you don't even care about anymore. You just it is worth it. $10 for like diabetes and like cholesterol in your throat.
I think I'm gonna get more. Chicken tenders.
Last bite. Definitely for sure, finger looking good. It's probably the only chicken sandwich I've actually gone for the hype, because I didn't go to the Popeyes one because everyone was talking about it. I didn't really care. Boy, the Chick-fil-A fan. So I guess every location was gonna vary because of how fresh the donuts are, but these were pretty good. I'm not sure if they warmed them up anywhere or like exactly where, but I guess the glaze literally like drizzles on the top. It's pretty decent. And what makes everything much better, to be honest. I never thought a chicken sandwich with donuts would like actually be good, because I've seen like cheeseburgers that like made with donuts, but like this is a lot way better, because I haven't had like fried chicken in a long while. But texture wise, probably like 7 out of 10, because everything is just smushy and crunchy. Like not even the skin on the chicken was like crunchy, but I guess that's KFC. I like mine like extra crunchy. Healthiness probably is -0 cause, or -1, because there's like so much cholesterol, so much sugar, so much diabetes, so much fat, but it's honestly worth it. I'll probably pull up like how much calories it is. I'll probably put like right there somewhere, see how many calories it is, but it's worth it. For the like 2 minutes I ate that entire sandwich, it's well worth it. Price?
Oh yeah.
$9.
the hell is this?
Mac
7
and
out of
cheese
10
is
is
it?
like decent, but not like too good. 'cause
$1
it's
extra.
like
I get a bigger one.
pretty pricey. The advertiser is
You get a
$7.99.
little piece.
I think that's pretty cheap, but
I'll
then
get
like
my
with taxes, like $10.
What the fuck are you doing?
Well, 7 out of 10 for that. And
Sorry, bro. What's his YouTube
like
channel name?
eatability,
I'll
like
type it
being able to eat it, it's probably like a 4 out of 10. Cause you saw how I'm still covered like in icing on my fingers, so it's pretty hard to like eat in public unless like you have like the one with the sandwich wraps all over it, and then you try eating like that. That's why you can only get it like healthy and like not healthy, get it like clean and be able to eat it. Even though you might get like some icing that's gonna be on your shirt and then just it droops down, but like icing is already cold, so. I mean, if it's super hot and you like wait till you get home, there you go, it drips a little bit.
You gotta check
It gets hard pretty quick.
Hitch.
If you eat it right away, it'll be kind of hard. But if you wait a little bit, like 5 minutes,
I am
there you go.
deaf now.
It'll make it maybe
I
like
am
a
blind.
6 out of 10. But hot, ready, and fresh, 4 out of 10 for like cleanness. And I guess I'm gonna start doing like food reviews because people are like worried about my health and how like I'm eating or like making like a disorder or something like that. So I'm gonna do food reviews on every other week, so then I can like get like food challenges, food eating, because I still love eating. So let me know how you guys like this, and see you next time. And things don't change though. We still staying fit, getting lit, know what's going on, and getting it.